How to delete Duolingo account. So first is to tap your profile icon found on the lower right corner. And then tap on the gear icon or the settings icon found on the top right corner. Now scroll down and you will see this option, delete my account. Tap on that. So Duolingo gives you the option to request a copy of all your personal data by tapping this button, Access Personal Data. Now scroll down. So take note that this deletion can take up to 30 days. And after 30 days, your account will be permanently deleted. And tap Erase Personal Data. So Duolingo has sent an email to your account in which all you have to do is open that email and then tap on the Delete My Data to confirm this action. So you have 7 days to change your mind before Duolingo completely deletes your account. And so that is how you delete Duolingo account. Thank you and have a great day.